chasing the dreams, I'm out pursuing my dreams. So remember what you see, I'm gonna be your legacy.
बस मेहनत करो, like just follow your dreams और उसके बाद just do your work honestly, dedication, hard work के साथ, and whatever you think you can do it.